Hi, my name is Sultan Khan and I am founder and director at Ease Connect HR Services Private Limited. Ease Connect came into existence in 2017 September month. We are based out in Mumbai, Goregaon. We have couple of more offices in another metro cities. We are engaged in the business of payrolling, compliance services, staffing, recruitment, payroll process, outsourcing, training development, skill development. So basically we address some problem in the industry like unemployment, unskilled labor, lack of training, insufficient training, and due to this many unskilled labor are producing. So basically what we do in order to reduce the unemployment, we do conduct job fairs, mass hiring, we spread the opportunities, we organize the campus recruitment, we do job counseling, we visit slums, we visit universities, we visit colleges to spread the job opportunities, we assess their skill set. We provide career counseling guidance by assessing their education level and skills. Then we can suggest somebody you are fit for this and this role and profiles. I mean, we train the candidate or job seeker as per the matching the profile as per the client need and requirements. So talking about unskilled labor, we mobilize the people from slums, villages, from remote areas, and we have tie-up, we have partners like NSDC, Skill India, CSR driven training centers. We mobilize the job seekers, we mobilize people from there. We also have our training center, in-house training center, where we provide 10 days free training so that they can be ready for the new job opportunities. We establish trust, confidence amongst all the job seekers, amongst the unemployed people, so that they can be fit for further their jobs, they can stable financially. So our vision and dream always been producing skilled labor as per industry needs and requirements. We also conduct reward and recognition to ensure people should get rewarded, they should happy. We always take care of their happiness to go their next level. So our priority is always been to reduce the poverty, to produce the skilled labor. We also help people writing the resumes, conducting mock calls, conducting OJT training, on job training for, it's depend on the requirements, maybe it could be 2 days, 3 days, 10 days, maximum 10 days we provide OJT also. We have reached pan India level. We have freelancers, we have business partners, we have individual job seekers empanelment. We are not only providing the job which is absolutely free of cost. We never ever charge any single rupees from the candidates. Although apart from these benefits, we are also providing the earning opportunities to the candidates by referring somebody else. For example, Mr. X, we have provided him the job. After job, we take references from them and we used to pay XYZ amount to him for that particular reference. So this way we expanding our reach to more and more peoples. So our policy is very clear, it is defined. We hire, we train, we deploy, and we retain. So while talking about the revenue generation, so we have multiple departments from where we are generating the revenues like payroll processing, outsourcing, recruitment, staffing recruitments, from business partner channel, so compliance consulting, and many startups are there to whom we are giving the consultant. We are consulting them, we are helping them in terms of labor law, in terms of compliances, in terms of anything which need help. So we believe making and keeping good relationships with the candidates, with the job seekers, with the clients, with our business partner, with our vendors, whoever may be directly or indirectly associated with us, and we promise what we deliver and we deliver what we promise. So the staffing industry is growing year by year it is more than 10%, I would say. So this was the little brief about the Ease Connect. Thank you so much.